Verdict in the Jeffrey Basil murder trial could come as soon as tomorrow. Closing arguments begin tomorrow morning.
But a guilty verdict in this case doesn't necessarily mean a murder conviction for Jeffrey Basil. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Dratch live outside the courthouse tonight. Ed.
Jeff Basil's fate, Jeff, will soon be in the hands of 12 jurors. They'll discuss 5 possible verdicts and 5 possible outcomes of this case as it's related to Bill Sager's death. But some of those charges and some of those verdicts don't carry much jail time. When jurors begin deliberations, they'll have to figure out what Jeff Basil was thinking when he pushed Bill Sager down the stairs inside Molly's Pub last May.
The prosecution has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt what the intent of Jeffrey Basil was.
Intent is important for both the murder and manslaughter charges, according to John Elmore, an injury attorney with no connection to this case. Intent to kill would mean murder. Intent to seriously hurt would mean manslaughter. Both, he says, are hard to prove.
I think it's a very, very difficult to find the intent to kill, but by a person's conduct, I think it'll be a little bit easier to prove that they were reckless.
The jury can convict on lesser charges only if they don't find proof of murder or manslaughter. Other charges include reckless manslaughter, meaning Basil was aware of the risk of death but disregarded it when he pushed Sager down the stairs. That would require a sentence of up to 15 years in prison, or criminally negligent homicide, which only carries a sentence of up to 4 years.
My suspicion would be that it would be a lower charge.
Under manslaughter?
Absolutely. Manslaughter or lower.
But if convicted of murder, Basil could spend 25 years to life in prison. For manslaughter, intent to seriously hurt, Basil could spend up to 25 years behind bars.
I think they'll probably be deliberating for quite a while.
That jury is made up of 6 men and 6 women, both older and younger. There are pages of notes in their black binders that they've been carrying since the start of their trial. They have many questions, and tomorrow they will be able to ask the judge those questions for the first time once they begin deliberations after closing statements that are scheduled for 9:30 tomorrow morning. We're live downtown tonight, Edge Ranch, 7 Eyewitness News.